Hi kids, today I am going to drawing the bedroom, so let's move. First I am drawing the bed. Now I am drawing the wall photo.
I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
And finally I am drawing the window. Super! This bedroom looks so pretty. Now it's coloring time. Pink.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the
I love painting so much. Do you love it?
away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Red.
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three. Fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Yellow.
Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck four. He ran out the door.
Orange.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
I am going to painting with different colors.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five. She went
Blue.
to hide. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock,
Sky blue.
looked at the clock. The clock struck six. Oh, little six. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Green.
Hickory dickory dock. La 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 la.
I love this bedroom so much. Do you love it? Orange. Yellow. Brown. Sky blue. Awesome! Finally this bedroom looks so colorful with beautiful colors. Let's clap for you. Bye bye cuties.